Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this egg paniyaram. Egg paniyaram is very simple and easy to prepare. You just have to prep all the ingredients ahead of time. That's about it. And it's an excellent evening time tiffin. Here I've cracked some eggs and I've added it to a mixing bowl. This recipe can be shared among 2 to 3 adults. Now here we have got pepper powder, finely chopped onion, chilies, grated ginger, finely chopped curry leaves, coriander, and I'm also going to be using some cheese. Cheese is up to you, you can use it or leave it. Now here to this eggs I'll be adding salt, pepper powder, and some finely chopped onion, grated ginger, finely chopped chilies, curry leaves and coriander. We will whisk all of this till it's well combined. I've heated a Paniyaram pan or the appam pan on medium flame, and to that I'll be adding some oil. You can also use butter and ghee as per your preference. Now once I have seasoned my pan, I'm gently going to ladle out the egg mixture inside this Paniyaram pan. This is basically an omelette mixture that can be served in a Paniyaram form. We can also serve this as a side dish for South Indian meals, pulaus, biryanis. It's very nice and tasty. Regularly eating in an omelette form and in this paniyaram form, it's completely different. And it is very nice and bouncy, it's very nice and juicy. So if you're preparing it this way, it pairs very well with your pulaus and biryanis. I highly recommend you try it. Now here I'm going to step up a notch and I'm going to add some cheese right in the middle, and on top of this I'm going to cover it with some more egg mixture. That is totally up to you. You can add cheese or leave it out. But I highly recommend it. You try it just as it is first, then you can add the cheese. Now using a spoon, I'm gently going to flip these paniyarams to the other side and I'm going to fry it to the other side. So it hardly takes 2 minutes to fry on each side, and it fries very fast. It's very nice and tasty. I highly recommend it. Try it for your side dishes or for a starter. It's very nice. People who don't prefer chilies can also use chili powder instead of chilies. So it is all your taste preference. I highly recommend it with the chilies first, then you can try it with the chili powder. So now you can see it hardly took me 2 minutes on each side to fry it. I flipped it to the other side and I fried it to the other side. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Now here you can see my egg paniyarams are ready in no time. I just keep flipping it. If you can add little bit of ghee or butter, the taste enhances. So once my paniyaram is ready, I'm just going to dish it out and serve it hot as possible. It was very nice and tasty. Do try this recipe, friends, and also share this recipe video with your friends and family. Don't forget to post your comments and subscribe to my channel. My egg paniyaram is ready. I really enjoyed it. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.